was speaking with my friend on the phone, and then I fell down. So I find myself on the hospital, and then that's where they find that I have the cancer, and then they transfer me to the McGill here. So when I found out that I have cancer, that time was already a difficult moment. But now I'm doing great. I'm doing fine. So I'm happy. I would say it's magic because I wasn't believe at this time I'm going to be here. So I would say this I mean, he was a very, very, very great doctor. My family feel very good because when they hear that, when they hear that this what happened, and you can say even I wasn't die yet, but you could see a lot of, you could hear a lot of, you on the phone, you could hear a lot of crying from behind, but right now everybody, I think they're all fine.